ladies, and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is going to be all about Barbie. Now, I know that all of you have heard about the Barbie trends that are going on, and of course the movie is also out. But today's video is going to be about the looks that some of the movie stars wore at the premiere of the Barbie movie, and we're going to find out whether or not they were elegant or not. Hello ladies, so welcome back. As most of you know, every designer has come out with their designer outfits relating to Barbie. So Barbie is sweeping the runway left and right. Now, I love Barbie, and I actually had a Barbie when I was a child growing up. And this was just a doll that most every little girl had while she was growing up. So this video is going to be talking about the looks that a lot of the stars put together on the runway for the premiere of Barbie, and I want to talk about whether or not I feel they were elegant or not. Now, of course, this is my own personal opinion, but I hope I'm going to be sharing some really great, interesting ideas about these outfits that some of the stars showed that were supposed to be Barbie inspired. And I'm going to be rating those outfits on a scale of 1 to 10. Now, a little backstory on Barbie. The first Barbie came out in the New York toy store in 1959. And this Barbie was presented with a little black and white swimsuit. And I know many of you will remember the first Barbie that came out. And she was also wearing her signature ponytail. So in support of this whole Barbie thing, I am wearing my signature ponytail today. However, I'm not dressed in pink, but my outfit of the day, the other day, is going to be Barbie inspired. Now in 2021, toy maker Mattel sold 86 million dolls for a grand total of $1.7 billion in sales for the Barbie doll. Imagine that. Now, Barbie was a classy little gal as far as I could remember. She dressed very elegantly. She looked always put together. Even with the outfits that you would find in the stores for Barbie were usually very classy looking. They were very elegant. Of course, they did have the swimwear and also beachwear for at least the Barbies that were in the stores back when I was growing up. But Barbie was a classy little lady. And now Barbie has hit the big screens. Now, I have yet to go and see the movie Barbie, but I think I'm going to see if my husband wants to go see that movie because everybody is raving about that movie. And the star of the Barbie movie, of course, is Margot Robbie. And I want to just show you a few looks that Margot wore on the premiere of Barbie, and I think she looks so elegant and so sophisticated, so classy. Margot Robbie represented Barbie so extremely well. So the first look I want to show you from Margot Robbie is this beautiful pink gown with this fur across the décolletage. And I think she looks amazing. I believe these are pearls that are around her neck. The second look I want to share with you ladies is this one here, where they dressed her in this pink work outfit with this pink hat. And I think this looks so beautiful. Barbie really dressed very elegantly, at least in my opinion. And I think Margot Robbie was the perfect person to play the part of Barbie in this movie. And I think this is stunning. And then she's wearing this sort of black and white striped dress that would be very appropriate for beach wear. And notice, ladies, that she's not revealing too much, but she looks just very classy and elegant. And she's paired it with these white rimmed sunglasses and this ponytail, which just makes this outfit come together to look very beautiful and elegant. The last look she wore at the premiere was This, I believe this is Emilio Pucci, because this dress so represents the style that designer Emilio Pucci does. So I believe this dress is by Emilio Pucci, and then she has this beautiful little pink handbag. So if you don't know who Margot Robbie is, she is the star of the movie Barbie. Now the next thing I want to share with you, of course, is my own interpretation of a look that Barbie wore back in the 1960s. And it was this little pink and white gingham dress. And she's also wearing some little kind of strappy white heels. And then she's got her hair styled very elegantly. I did not have this particular dress in my closet, but I do have something very similar. So the dress I've styled up for you ladies is this beautiful pink and white gingham dress from designer Bala. This dress is so beautiful. I love the cut of this dress, and I think this really represents sort of the type of dress that Barbie would have worn. I love how it curves around the hips, and then it has lace around the bottom of the dress. Of course, it is a dress that has pockets, and I just really love this dress. And it also represents a dress that Barbie would have worn. Now, I want you ladies to let me know in the comment section down below, do you feel like the look I put together represents the Barbie look I'm showing you here on the screen? So please feel free to give me your objective comments. I'd love to know what you think about the outfit that I put together for the Barbie premiere. So let's get into these looks from the runway of the Barbie premiere. Keeping in mind, ladies, that this is merely my own opinion. So if you like any of the looks that I don't like, then that is okay. This is just my personal opinion of some of the looks that were worn at the premiere of the Barbie movie. So the first look that I want to share with you ladies is the look that Paris Hilton wore. Now, in my personal opinion, this is not anything that Barbie would have worn. And Barbie was more classic. She was more elegant, more put together. And this look that Paris Hilton came out with, to me, does not represent Barbie in any way, shape, or form. Now, Paris Hilton wore this magenta dress with the tiara, and it looks like a fur Barbie bag. None of this goes together. It does not work. The dress does not fit her properly, and I think this just looks tacky. The pink eyeshadow is also a mess in regards to the makeup that Barbie would have worn. And there's just something about this entire outfit that looks trashy. And I can see that there is a slit at the bottom of this magenta dress that you can see a lot of her skin. I don't think Barbie would have worn anything like this. And then that little dress next to it that she's wearing with the nude heels and these heart-colored sunglasses. I'm sorry, Paris Hilton, but exit stage left. Try again next year. Now, the next star at the Barbie premiere was Nicki. I believe her name is Minaj. Now, Nicki wore this sort of silver top and a silver colored skirt, and I just think she looks beautiful. This is so gorgeous. I love the blonde hair and how they have her hair styled. She looks like a Barbie, and this looks so beautiful. I love the heels that they've paired her in with this outfit and the contrasting black around the skirt. Now, the wrap skirt was from Alaria's 2023 spring collection, and she pulled it off exquisitely. This is a look that I really love, and it's going to be a 10 out of 10. I think she looks stunning. Everything about this looks like an interpretation of something that Barbie would have worn. So she's going to get invited back to the next premiere, and I'm just really loving this. So 10 out of 10 for for this interpretation of Barbie. Now, the next interpretation of Barbie was worn by Dua Lipa, I believe is her name. And let me pause for a second. This outfit is completely see-through. And this is not anything that Barbie would have worn unless it was at the beach. And even at the beach, you ladies saw how they dressed Barbie in that little black and white swimsuit that I showed you earlier in the video. This particular dress that was worn by Dua Lipa is by Bottega, and most of you know the designer Bottega. However, there is nothing preventing anyone that is seeing every part of her body. And there was a lot of controversy over what she wore at the premiere because there were children in the audience. There were children watching the premiere of Barbie. And then she stepped out in this really, really see-through dress. And you ladies know how I feel about these see-through outfits, especially if you are a woman over 40. And looking at her, she looks to be over 40, maybe she isn't. Even if you're a woman over 30, this outfit is not elegant and it should not have been worn at a premiere of Barbie. Now, instead of giving her a rating from 1 to 10, I'm going to change to the alphabet, and she gets an F for wearing something like this in front of an audience that would have children in her presence. She is to exit stage left and go and purchase my book and learn about elegance. The next look at the premiere of the Barbie movie was styled up by Issa Rae. 10 out of 10, nailed it. One of the perfect outfits. She is the perfect black Barbie, and I think she looks stunning. The dress fits her absolutely beautifully. I love the way that they've styled her hair up in this really sleek, long ponytail. And look at her smile. She looks so stunning, so beautiful, and just elegant. 10 out of 10. Now, Issa Rae wore this Flotus-inspired gown by Mark Bauer. And I love how this gown sort of fishtails out at the bottom. It almost gives her this really beautiful mermaid shape. So this is the perfect black Barbie, and it's also a look that I feel is Barbie inspired from head to toe. 10 out of 10 on this Barbie inspired look. Now, the next look was styled by Billie English, and I struggled to understand what they were doing here with the look that they put her in. I had a difficult time trying to get my head wrapped around why this was put together and how it is Barbie inspired. Now, I know she's holding, it looks like a pillow with a bee on it for Barbie, I guess, and then she's wearing a pink tie. I just don't get this look. These shoes, I'm sorry, ladies. We're going to pass on this look. I really don't have much more to say about it. I will say that now this next Barbie inspired look was styled up by America Ferrera, and I think she looks beautiful. I loved the swept back hairdo in the ponytail. I think the dress looks elegant in some aspects, and I love the pink handbag. So I do think that she pulled this look off quite beautifully. So I would give her a 7 out of 10 on the Barbie inspired look. Now, this baby pink outfit is by designer St. John. And I think they could have fitted her a little bit better in this outfit because you can kind of see a little bit of the tummy here and maybe put her in some shapewear or something like that. But I give this a 7 out of 10 because she did make a very good effort in styling up something that Barbie would have worn. Now, Greta Gerwig arrived in head-to-toe pink from Valentino. And before I even give you anything on this, she gets a 10 out of 10. This was stunning, and it is definitely something that I can see Barbie would have worn, or something that would have been packaged in those little packages that you could buy clothing to dress Barbie in. This looks beautiful. I love this oversized structured blazer that she's captured with this beautiful pink gown, all the way down to the toe in Valentino. Even these pointed toe shoes, the little Valentino handbag. 10 out of 10 on this look that Greta Gerwig, 10 out of 10 for this look. Definitely Barbie inspired. Now this next look is by Simu Liu. I believe I'm pronouncing that right. If I'm not, let me know in the comment section down below. But I think that he was giving an interpretation of Ken. And I mean, I'm not sure what to think on this one, or maybe she was showing up in a Barbie outfit. But nevertheless, right off the bat, I'm not sure which one of them was supposed to have some sort of representation of Barbie or Ken, but both of these outfits are forgettable. And so I would just say that except for the pink shoes that the young lady is wearing, both of these outfits are forgettable. So just to be kind, I think I would give either one of them a 5 out of 10. But this is just something that I would not remember that is either Ken or Barbie inspired. So on to the next. Now this last look that was on the runway at the premiere of Barbie was styled up by Gal Gadot. Now, first off, I don't see the color that is inspirational to a Barbie look. She wore nothing pink. And I think this is probably just something that she might have worn to like the New York fashion show or the Milan fashion show. But this is not a Barbie inspired look. And I'm not really sure why she actually wore this look. So we're going to have to exit her stage left, because she did not follow the plan. And again, if you're invited to an event that is inspired by a certain theme, you need to pull off that theme before you come to the event. And this was all about Barbie. So I don't see anything that she's wearing that represents anything Barbie. Even if she had to put a little pink handbag or something, or maybe a pink wristwatch or a hair bow or something, or anything, it would have made this look a little bit more Barbie inspired. This look is totally forgettable. Okay, ladies, so that is all I wanted to share in today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I thought I would interject a little bit of fun into my videos. So I hope you enjoyed watching this, and let me know if you did by hitting that like button before you leave the video. And if you're just landing on my channel for the first time, my name is Teresa, and this channel is all about leveling up and becoming more elegant and more graceful. And if you are interested in that, then I would love for you to join my community of women that are becoming more elegant and more graceful. And once you subscribe, please let me know in the comment section down below so that I can personally welcome you to this channel. Thanks for watching, ladies, and I'll see you in the next one.